This is a lemon drop watermelon plant, but unfortunately, the watermelons haven't been growing past this size. I've been on top of hand pollinating, and I don't think it's a nutrient issue, which leads me to believe it might be a lighting issue. I'm currently using a pendant light and a freestanding hanging light, which was never meant to be a permanent solution, but it bought me a little time to think about what I should try next. I would have loved to use a standing light like this Barino one, but it just isn't powerful enough, and I couldn't find anything else that's already standing. I've been working on a new setup over here and haven't hung the second light yet, but I've been thinking maybe I can turn this into a DIY vertical grow light. It came with some hanging hardware that I honestly wasn't a fan of at first, but it ended up being perfect for this project, which you'll see in a minute. So the plan is to use this stand, which is actually a reptile light stand, but it's been amazing for grow lights, and I should be able to adjust it to where it'll hold the light up vertically. It is a little too tall for how I'll be using it, so I went ahead and removed the smallest segment of the pole. And here's why the hanging hardware is perfect. It made it so easy to attach the light to this hook and can also be used to adjust the height. Here's how it turned out. It actually doesn't look that bad. Alright, pendant light is off. Now I'm just plugging the new light into a smart power strip, which will automatically turn it on and off each day. I ended up removing the pendant light so I can use it somewhere else, but this is definitely a lot brighter and provides way better coverage. I know I said I don't think it's a nutrient issue, but I was just looking at the box for the 3-part series I've been using and noticed for best results, I should be replacing the nutrient solution every 1 to 2 weeks, which I honestly haven't been doing. So I'm going to be more on top of changing the nutrients, but regardless of all that, the lighting situation definitely needed this upgrade, and as soon as these watermelons start getting bigger, I'll be back with an update for you all.